Okay, so to make this bow hairband, I am using a stretchy fabric. Okay, so for the length, I cut out 18.5 inches, and then the breadth is 6 inches. I cut out two pieces, one, two, and then I place it like this. I'm going to sew now all around. I'm going to sew here with 0.5 inch all the way round, and then I'm going to leave a small opening. This is where I'm going to turn it out from inside out. So like I said, I'm going to sew. So I'm going to do that, and then I cut out this piece, this tiny piece. I'm going to fold it this way, and then I'll sew on top of it. Now this is for the bow. This is what I'm using for the bow, and it measures 8 inches by 6 inches. 8 inches in length, 6 inches in breadth. So I'm just going to fold it this way, and I'll sew with 0.5 to close it up. So I'm going to do that. And okay, so I have sewn all around it. I'm going to turn it now to the right side. So this place that is open, I'm going to sew it back. So I'm just going to close it up from here on top of it. Then this is the bow. Remember, I closed up everywhere. So I'm going to cut it open this way, so I can turn it to the right side. This is so easy to make, so easy. Please guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So this is for the bow. I'm going to do it this way. You can see, right? So I have this thread here. I'm going to use it. So this is what I'm doing. Make sure you're tying it at the center of it. So this is ready. What we're going to do next, okay, so I have sewn that part close. What we're going to do next is to place this way and then sew on top of it. So this is what I have. This tiny piece that I joined, this is what I'm going to do. Close it up. So after sewing, this is it. This is what we have. This is it. So I'm just going to take my bow and I'll put it in to this hole. This is super easy. So I'm going to use my needle and thread. I'm going to tack the bow to this piece here. Tack it so it will be firm and my bow won't fall out. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is the final work. This is it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye guys.